Alright, I believe I owe you guys an update on the Type R. So, what better way to do that than head out and get a car wash and then give you guys the full rundown on what I've done to the car in the last 6 months. This thing is filthy. Here you go. Gotta get a quick snack. Wash this car. This car is disgusting. Alright, now that the car is clean, we are going to go ahead and head somewhere nice for me to give you guys a full rundown of all the mods on the car and how I've been liking it for the last 6 months and what mods I've done. So, let's get to it. Quick change of plans. Alyssa just got out of her first day of school, so we're just gonna get some lunch and meet up. So, thank you. Honda family. We're a Honda family. There's my college girl. How was school?
Hey, what are you doing? I'm eating.
Finished eating already?
Yeah.
We are 2 weeks clear of COVID now. We quarantined for 2 weeks and Alyssa has lost her taste. So she ate McDonald's. I will be eating Arby's because I have good taste in case you guys don't remember. But yeah.
You did not host.
Lunch break. Alright, it's a few hours later. The 100-degree sun is finally gone. So we're gonna go ahead and do this mod list overview and everything that I've done to the car. So first things first, I've owned the car for over a year now. It's just that I only documented about 6 months of it, and then I kind of fell through off TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and all that. So I want to cover all the parts that I've done in the last 6 months that I didn't get on camera. So we're going to go ahead and go over all the parts that are on the car, and then we're also going to go over the parts that I want to do with this build. I don't want to give away too much, but I do want to share what I plan to do with this car. There's a lot more things that I want to do, even though the car already looks amazing. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump straight into this. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. It's the best spot. I mean, I can leave it. I don't have to stay here. Okay. Yeah, I know. It's the lighting because, you know, it's dark. There's not really places to take around here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Very nice officer. Thought I had to leave for a second, but we're good. Alright, so for the front, we don't have too much going on. You can see I have the Risen banner on the windshield there. That's me and my friends. We got a nice little group going on. Just to wrapped my hood scoop gloss black. You guys will see more of him. That's my cousin. He's a rapper. My headlights are tinted with the premium auto styling tints. I would like to go with the full set of sequential headlights, but I'm not really sure which one I want yet, so I'm going to hold off on that. I currently have the stock grille on the front of this car, but I have a 2021 OEM grill sitting in my living room that I'm going to be putting on this car that has 20% more airflow, which I'll make a video about. On the front there, you can see I have the TopOneMotorSports bezels. Their customer service and shipping wasn't the greatest, but I do love the way the product looks. I would like to throw a front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser on the car. I currently have my eye on a body kit right now. I'm trying to see if I can get my hands on it, but if not, I'll just go for a different one. I also have the fog light tint from Premium Auto Styling on the fog lights. You can also see that I have the full underglow kit from Type S Auto. It's a pretty good kit. I'm a Ricer at heart. Alright, and for the side of the car, I have some T37SL pressed graphites and an 18 by 9.5 plus 38 spec, which are wrapped in some Michilen All Season 4S's 255, 35, 18. And then for my rotors and pads, I went with Stop Tech rotors and Power Stop brake pads, and it got rid of like all the brake dust. It's amazing. On the side here, I also have the Suma Performance sequential side markers, which are the smoked versions. And then I have the Mugen Rainguards, and I also have Suma Performance direct replacement side mirror glass, which is one of my favorite mods that I've done to the car. Alright, and as for the rear, I don't have too much crazy going on here. I have the Maxton Design gurney flap. on the wing there, and then I also have the Optimal Co wing extension on the bottom wing there. And then as you can see, I have my new Suma Performance taillights, and then I have the top one bezels in the rear as well, and then you can see the underglow kit going there. As for performance mods, all I really got is the PRL high volume intake, Prl Catted Downpipe. I have the Hondata flash. I also have an MXP Race Comp Catback Exhuast. As for handling, the car is just on some Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs. I would like to go coilovers one day. The problem is that I don't want to lose that driver adjustability that you get with the lowering springs and the drive modes that you get on the car by switching over to coilovers. But I do want that more stiff feel, so that might be something I have to look into. Alright, as for the interior, I have the FK8 dry carbon steering wheel, my nice little JDM air scent there. I'm currently rocking a Perrin weighted shift knob that's designed for the 10th gen Civic, and then an Acuity short throw shifter, and then you can see my Hondata there and my Escort Pro Max that works with cops pretty well, but not all the time, obviously. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the video. That's the whole mod overview of the Type R. As for the way it's running, the car is freaking amazing. This is probably going to be like my favorite car of like all time for the money at least. But yeah, so we're pretty much going to wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it was a little bit long, but I wanted to get all the mods in the video. So, but yeah, remember guys, never stop dreaming.